Welcome to all. Question number 25. As I wrote in the title there, series of questions for locating centroid. I will keep on solving one by one questions so that each and everything will be clear. I told structural engineering point of view, even though such sections you may not get in structural engineering, understand the basic concept. See, once you know all these things correctly, good idea will come to you. That's why I told you spare some time and thoroughly study now and understand everything. Okay, now locate centroid. All dimensions in centimeter, just for a change. Usually we will take in millimeter, but today for a change, centimeter. Okay. So what happens now? Area will come in centimeter square, distance will come in centimeter, x bar, y bar will come in centimeter. Now, I will tell one more thing right now, which are repeatedly told so far. I am going to skip it now. From now, today onwards, unless there is something important to be told, I will just tell usual thing, write yourself only. Given lamina, see, 20, this is a dotted line here, see, this is 20, this is 22, 20 is from here up to here. Then see, suddenly a drop of 3, it comes this way. Here, 2 quadrants are there. Yesterday's question, there were 2 semicircles, one this way, one horizontally, one somewhat vertically given. Okay, don't worry about those things all. 22, height is 15, and then this is 9. Okay, all data given. Start. Class, 5 parts. See how? See now, how 5 parts? You divide like this. See here, and then see here, here, and here. Then one quadrant, one rectangle, one semicircle. Someone will tell, sir, only 4 parts. Yes, 4 parts, correct. But there is a problem. This is not an isosceles triangle. Also not a right angle triangle. It is a triangle in general because see, when this is 20, this also is 20. Understood? Why? This is center. Radius 20. When this is 9, this will become 11. See here. For this triangle I am explaining. Note in the class, this is 20 for this triangle. That is part number 4. 9 and 11. Now, you can take this 4 as a single triangle. If you know how to locate centroid for a triangle in general. See, if I take the complete triangle, this has one triangle, then only 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can save one part, but the problem is, you should know correctly how to locate centroid. See here. This way, for the base of 20, height is 15. 1/3 of 15, 2/3 of 15, already known for you. Dot is centroid. See, this is centroid, G4. If I take single triangle, only 4 parts, then G4. But this way, it is 20 plus 9 divided by 3 from this side, 20 plus 11 divided by 3 that side. So, if you know that result is given for you. So, if you know that result, you need not go for 5 parts, you can go only to 4 parts. But make a note, there is a problem later when you go to moment of inertia. When you go to moment of inertia, see, when you want moment of inertia about the centroidal axis, y axis here, centroidal y, there is no standard formula. Then you have to divide into 2 parts. So, since if the question is only to locate centroid, if you want, you can take only 1, 2, 3, 4. You should know this one, but I will advise not to go for it. Not, see, I told 4, 5 is not there, not to go for it, because so many people, these things confusion. See, if you go for right angle triangle, there is no confusion. After all, one extra part, confusion is avoided. And moment of inertia, you have to go for this way. Therefore, our purpose is not only locate centroid, later to find moment of inertia also. Therefore, it is better to divide into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3. See here, this is a random triangle. What you do? Divide like this. One of them I will take 4, other I take 5. See, this side, this right angle triangle 4, that side I will take 5. And also, I always teach so that even ordinary person or a person who got lesser capacity to remember all the concept, he also will understand. He or she will also understand. Those who think they are have got super knowledge, or they are exceptionally good in subject or very intelligent, if you think you can do whatever you want, but don't later, you should not blame me. He took only one triangle, moment of inertia becomes problem. So it is better sometimes unnecessary go for complication. So what I will do is saver side, I will divide into 1, see 1, 2, 3, I will take 2 right angle triangles. So this is cancelled. This make a note. Somewhere outside make a note of this one. Okay. Then draw a neat sketch. See here. 20, 20. See here. This is 20. This is 20. Center is here. This 20 no place right here. See. I wrote here. 20. That is this one. Then diameter is 40 because I told I always want diameter. Someone will tell, why sir? If you take radius, what is wrong? No wrong. I want diameter means diameter. That's all. See, sometimes I am very harsh. I cannot take one question radius, one question diameter, and if you are going for moment of inertia, we always consider diameter. Today, one question take radius, one question say diameter. Mix up. Confusion. I want in my class always diameter. So radius 20 means diameter 40. You cannot see the diameter. Sorry, I will not tell. These all told long back earlier, repeatedly. Okay. This is part number 1. Part number 2. Rectangle of base 20 and height. See, this is 22. See, where is it? Here. Here there is, I written that side. See, 22. From here to here is 22. Okay. Figure number 3, or is quadrant of a circle where this radius is not given. But observe, this is 22. Then this gap is 3. See, there's a gap of 3 here. When this is 22, this gap is 3. This radius, see, this radius will become 22 minus 3 equal to 19. So make a note here. For this one, radius equal to 22 minus 3 equal to 19. Therefore, diameter equal to 38. Diameter 38, there's a gap of 3 here. So let us see, this is 19. I wrote here 19. This also 19. From here up to here 19. This is 3. This is 19. And altogether from here to here rectangle depth is 22. Triangle. 15 is the height. See, somewhere there I marked. Height 15 this way. And width-wise, they told this is 9. So I wrote 9 here. Other one, see, this is 20. When this is 20, this is 9, then this width will be 20 minus 9 equal to 11. 11 over. Now, this centroid will be 2d by 3 pi, 2d by, actually next time I won't give this one, 2d by 3 pi. Here, center, 2d by 3 pi, 2d by 3 pi. Here, 1 by 3 and this way 1 by 3, from here 2 by 3. This way 1 by 3, this way 2 by 3. 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 of 9, 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 of 15. For this side triangle, height is same. See, 1 by 3 15, 2 by 3 15, but base wise 1 by 3 11, 2 by 3 11. This much information is sufficient. After some time, I will stop all these. Next, after some time, these extra things, if you want, use a pencil and you write light line, enter there. You write a big, always make a big sketch so that small writing will not affect the overall view. That way maintain. Okay. Now I will remove this one. I will remove this one now. Before that I will make a small note there. How is the sketch actually? Data given, one ನಿಮಿಷ. It will come here. Then quadrant, okay, then, okay, sufficient. I will make a note so that later I can reproduce a sketch once again if I want. Okay, now I will go for standard calculation. Here only I will write. This all I will remove, nothing required now. Now, as usual, now onwards, I will not waste time telling each and every time, let us consider reference axis here and there, x is to right side, y is to right upward, and then x bar formula, y bar formula. In case there is a remote cutout is there, I will write sometimes. See, if one cutout is there, be careful. Okay, now, start solution. Correctly, write solution. Right. Let us consider origin O, bottommost left corner here. O. So that consider reference axis OX this way and OY this way. So your X bar is like this, Y bar is like this. Okay. With that data, start. Part number. Either you call a part number or figure number, whatever you want. Okay, part number. Part number. Area A, that is in centimeter square. X, okay, X should be colored, green color. X from OY to right side. Y from OX to left side. Start, correctly start. Part number 1, quadrant of a circle, area pi by 16, diameter square. Pi by 16 of diameter is 40 square, equal to, I noted the answer there, 314.159, because to save the time, 31, because this, I always want to do in such problem solve, somewhere in the corner, I will make a note. Who will hold calculator and struggle? 314.159. 314.159. A1. 159. Figure number 2. Rectangle 20 by 22. 20 by 22 equal to 440 centimeter square. See, this is in centimeter, this also in centimeter today. Okay, figure number 2 over. Figure number 3. Figure number 3 is where? Where figure number 3? There. Area. Again quadrant, diameter 38. Pi by 8, pi by 16, not 8. Pi by 4 is for circle, pi by 8 for semi, and pi by 16 for quadrant, pi by 16 of 38 square. 283.529. 283.529. 38 square. Figure number 3 over. Figure number 4, it is a triangle half into 9 into 15. Somewhere there 15 is there. Half into 9 into 15 equal to 67.5 centimeter square. Figure number 6, figure number 5. Figure number 5. Half into 11 into 15 equal to 82.5. Okay, this is simple. Okay, now x, see here. This way x from here to here is 39, sorry, not 39, this distance is 20. 20 minus 2d by 3 pi. 20 minus 2 into diameter, diameter is 40, divided by 3 pi equal to 11.512. Figure number 2. This distance. This is 20, half of 20, 20 by 2 equal to 11. Figure number 3. 20 plus 2d by 3 pi. 20 plus 2 into diameter is 38 divided by 3 pi. 11.512, 10, 11. And this is 10. This is 10. I am seeing somewhere else. This is 10. Okay. 20 by 2 is 10. 20 plus 28.064. Sometime it happens. I don't know why it came 11. 28.064. Figure number 5. This distance is 2 by 3 of 9. 2 by 3 of 9 is 100% 6. Figure number 5. 9 plus 1 by 3 of 11. 9 plus 1 by 3 of 11 will give you 12.667. 12.667. Okay. Start. Y distances from here. For figure number 1. 15 plus 22. See. 15 plus 22 plus this distance is 2d by 3 pi. 2 into 40 divided by 3 pi. It will come y 45.488. 45.488. Figure number 2. See. 15 plus to center. This rectangle is 22 here. So 15 plus half of 22. 15 plus 22 by 2. Unknown. 26. I don't have to check it. It is 26. Figure number 3. 15 plus this distance is 2d by 3 pi. 2 into 39 divided by 3 pi. 2 into 38, not 39. 2 into 38 divided by 3 pi is 23.064. 23.064. Figure number 4. From here, 2 by 3 of 15. 2 by 3 of 15 is 10. Figure 5 also, 2 by 3 of 15. 2 by 3 of 15 is 10. I mean now, I'll check the answer now. 440, X, area correct, 314, 440, 283, 67.5, 11.512, 10, 28.064, 6, 12.667, 45.488, 26, 23.064, 10, 10, over, correct. Everything is over now. Now you do the usual calculation. Someone will tell, sir, he is not writing and explaining anything. I will not explain. Enjoy the calculation. Your X bar will come and Y bar will come. Now I won't waste time. Every class will write X bar from, okay, I write OY to right side, and you will get Y bar from OX to upper side equal to X bar is 14.670. Show the calculation, 670 centimeter, and Y bar is, X bar is where? Y bar is 28.433. 28.433 centimeter is Y bar. Everything over now. Now do one thing. Now you go for final presentation. Final presentation. For final presentation means location of centroid systematically. I will tell dot. Little later. Why? I want to remove this one. I want more space. You leave half page gap. Leave half page gap. leave half page gap, and then see, up to some time I will tell it, go for alternate solution, where you consider reference axis to upper side right corner, see, right corner here, O. This is your x, space problem, this is your y. Take xy that way. Then x from OY to left side, y from OX to downside. Okay. Then area will remain same. This all will change now. I'll change the values. I'll do one thing this time. This time, okay, last class, this class, I will explain. Next time I won't explain. Start. This point, x from here. See, 19 plus this distance. This is 19, see here, 19 plus 2d by 3 pi. 19 plus 2 into diameter, 40 divided by 3 pi. 45 point, huh? No, wrong. No, 45.488. How possible? No. Some here 27.488. Somewhere else I have written 27.488. Second figure. 19. See here. See 19 plus center here. This is 20. 19 plus 20 by 2 is exactly 29. 27.48, 29. Figure number 3 here. From here, see, this distance is 19 minus this distance, 2d by 3 pi. 2 into 38 divided by 3 pi. 10.936. Figure number 4. 19 plus 11, see, 19 plus 11 plus 19 plus 11 plus this distance, 1/3 of 9. 1/3 of 9 is 3. 19, 30, 33, 30, it is 33, okay, 33. Figure number 5. 19 plus this distance is 2/3 of 11. 19 plus 2/3 of 11 equal to, next time I will write here and explain. 19 plus 2/3 of 11 is 26.333. 26.333. Correct? 27.488, 29, 10.936, 10.96, 33, 26.333. Okay. Y value from here, from top edge here, see, from here to here is 20 minus 2d by 3 pi. 2 into 40 by 3 pi equal to 11.512. Figure number 2. 20 plus, this is 22. Rectangle is 22. 20 plus 22 by 2. 20 plus 22 by 2 is undoubtedly 31. 31. Figure number 3. See here. 20, be careful, 20 plus 22, 20 from here plus 22. 20 plus 22, then subtract 2d by 3 pi minus 2 into 38 divided by 3 pi. Figure number 3y is 33.936. 936. Figure number 4. 20 plus 22, 20 plus 22 plus 20 plus 22 plus 1 by 3 of 15. 1 by 3 of 15 is 5. 47. 47. Figure this also, same thing. Once again, same for this also. 20 plus 22 plus 1 by 3 of 15 is 47. Okay, don't see this one. This is the first answer. Don't see this one. Now, enjoy the calculation. Enjoy the calculation. You will get x bar to left side. There is space for x bar to left side from OX. From OX. OY, not OX. From OY will come 24.330. 24.330 centimeter. And you will get the second solution, y bar to downside from OX. From OX will come 28.567. 28.567 centimeter. 20. Okay, over. Now solution is over. Now lastly, go for presentation. Okay. See now, this also I should not explain. X bar, Y bars are there. I will remove each and everything. So I will go for final answer now. I will go for final presentation. Where, but actually remember now, one more thing I will tell now. If the question is to find moment of inertia, then you locate here only. How to locate here? See, from left side, 28.443, you locate that here only. So that you have to continue the question for moment of inertia. But right now, see, when I do moment of inertia, I may take the same question. At that time, I will tell x bar, y bar, I am not calculating in the class today. You do one thing, refer question number, I will tell you, class number so and so, see the question there, copy it, and then first you correctly enter all the calculation of x bar, y bar, and then I will tell, come here. Okay. Now, that actually, this when it is a winter season, problem is board will not get dry very fast. Okay, now write the sketch once again. Therefore, last answer. Therefore, centroid G will be as shown below. All dimensions in centimeter. See. Okay, somewhat reasonably okay. I am not happy with that quadrant. 1 minute. Okay, now reasonably okay. Then come down by, this is 20, 22. No, I should go a little this side. Space problem is there. Nodi. Space problem. Okay, this is 20, 20, 22, 22. Not correct. 3. Okay, now okay. And then here 9 and 11. 15 down. This is the given lamina. See, this is the given lamina. If you want to write the outermost value, see, this outer here. If you write the outermost dimension, if I project here, and if I project here, and if I project here, and if I project here, this distance is 39, whereas this full distance up here to here is 57. 57. Okay, now do one thing. As right here, first write dot. That is final answer for solution 1. When you write there, final answer, this is our dot. When you took this reference point O, when you took x this way and y this way. there x bar we got 14.670. See, from here to here is, how much it is? 20. Okay, no, leave it. From here to here is 9. So it is 9 up to here. The life on it should be in inch. Okay, 9. But from here up to here is how much? 20 is there. So answer you got 14.670. So it will cross this point, go slightly more. See, this is from here to here is your x bar equal to 14.670 centimeter. Then if you want from this side, you calculate from 39, subtract it, you will get 24.330. 330, you have to calculate it. And from bottom edge here, see, from bottom edge, y bar you got 28.433. This is 15. Up to center is 15 plus 11, 26. But we got how much? 28.433. So it will come 15 plus 11, that is 26, little above center of this rectangle. See, little above center of that rectangle. So we got from here, this is your y bar equal to 28.433, and if you want from that side, you calculate from 57, subtract it, you will get 28.567, you will get it, calculated value. This is presentation for your first solution, half page gap you are right. Now, after second solution is over, write, once again write here, then this is your y bar, this is calculated, this is your x bar, and this is calculated. Y means I cannot explain now, there is a limit for everything. So finally, this is centroid G for the given lamina. Okay, over. Now what I will do now is, I will give question, the next question is 26 I think. I will give a question here where I will not explain much. This I will do in every class now onwards. I will not explain much. I will give, this is like exercise for you, but you systematically solve and get the answer. I will prepare in the board everything and then briefly tell how to solve it. Solve this question, question 26, you solve. First of all, very brief I will tell you. This time I won't waste time writing each and everything. See, locate centroid, a quadrant of a circle of radius 150, a semicircle. See, first time I last two semicircles, previous two quadrants, this time one quadrant, one semicircle, a semicircle of radius 110, then a gap of 60 here and a gap of 75, join these 2 points. This is a given lamina. All dimensions in millimeters. Okay, start. Divide into parts. How to divide? See. Divide. 1, 2, 3. Correct? 3? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then draw a neat sketch. See here. Radius 110. Okay. 60 gap. This radius 150. So total is 320. See, radius 110. This 110. 110, 60 plus 150 is 320. Radius 150. This diameter is, radius 110 means this is a diameter 220. plus 75 extra. So now this triangle will have a base of 150 plus 60, that is 210. This triangle will have height, vertical height of 220 plus another 75 is 295. Now you should write 2d by 3 pi, 2d by 3 pi. 2d by 3 pi, this way exactly center. Exactly center. 1 by 3 of 210, 2 by 3 of 210 or 1 by 3 of 295. See, full triangle is 2, see this full triangle is 295. 1 by 3 of 295, 2 by 3 of 295. Now make a note. Solution 1. Solution 1. Consider origin bottom, as I told you, bottommost left extreme corner. See, bottommost extreme corner. Bottommost left extreme corner O. Take x this way and y this way. X area I will not tell. Pi by 16 of diameter square, pi by 8 of diameter square, half into base into height. See, I am not wasting time writing statements all. Someone will ask, what is going on here? Nothing written there. Don't come to my class, leave it. My class is not for you. You are too intelligent, or you want me every day to open your mouth and spoon feed. See, spoon feeding will be for children, small kids up to some particular age. Then it will be stopped. It should start learning eating itself only. A kid up to say 1 year or 2 years, okay, you can spoon feed. After 10 years also, oh, nobody spoon feeding me means no, nobody will do it. First of all, every of my student tells, sir, you are explaining beyond the limit. So again I told, attend all the classes, make note of each and everything. That is, if you are not going for my notes, each and everything, if you are not going for my notes, I won't feel bad. It is your decision. Those who cannot afford, or those who think that they can prepare their own notes, let them prepare. But those who find difficulty, then I told the alternative for you. So therefore, everything you have to go to in between one class you should not miss. My class is meant only for them, not for the people who randomly come one class and tell nothing clear. In the YouTube, so many places I saw somebody commenting, nothing clear. Sometimes the person will comment back. You start from beginning and work out systematically, you will understand. Suddenly you cannot understand. So see what is today's class number. See, question number 26. Start from question number 1. Start from my first class of engineering mechanics. Then see the level. Okay. Sometimes such harsh word, I am always say very harsh in such matters. You don't study, no dedication, leave. Don't come to my class. Okay, start. I already told 2D by 3. Okay, now x. Area over pi by 16 of diameter square, pi by 8 of diameter square, half into base into height. I wrote the area. Sorry, I told x and y. See, origin here. X for figure 1. 320 minus 2d by 3 pi. You should write neatly how the answer came. Second one. 110 minus 2d by 3 pi. 110 plus 1 by 3 of 210. Y. 295 plus 2d by 3 pi. Exact center, be careful. See, center of this diameter, 75 gap, 75 plus half of the diameter, half of 220. Last one, 2 by 3 of 295. You will get total area is here, x bar, y bar. X bar is to right side, y bar is to up as per solution 1. Complete solution 1 and then go for the presentation. Then write solution 2 or alternate solution. Okay, see. Top right extreme corner. O. Take x this way, y this way. Okay, start. A1, A2, A3 will remain same. X1, 2d by 3 pi. X2, 150 plus 60 or 210 plus 2d by 3 pi. X3, 2 by 3 of 210. Y, 150 minus 2d by 3 pi. Y2, 150 plus half of the diameter by center. This way 2d by 3 pi, this way center. Y3, 150 plus 1 by 3 of 295. You will get x bar, y bar. Now your x bar is to left side, y bar is down. See, that x is to right side, that y is up. This x is to left side, this y is down. Okay. All this over, go for presentation. Then lastly, go for presentation. I will not waste time now writing solution 1, solution 2 because unique. I won't write x bar, y bar also. You decide which x bar, y bar. Okay. Write a neat sketch. 60, 150, 160, 120, 150. A little down. Okay, little board should be clean. Otherwise, you can see so many things there. Sometimes people will tell, I can see some numbers there. That is why my reference, that was for previous question. I did not remove it. If you see anything which is not required for you, don't go for it. Leave it. Do not worry what he wrote there, etc. Okay. Lastly, answer. See, solution right here. Solution 1 or solution 2, your final answer is 60, 150, no, it's 150 radius, 60 plus 60 plus 150. Okay. Okay, done. 120. Here. This is how much? This is total is 210. This is 220. 220, then another 75 more here. Okay. Nothing. This is the given lamina. If you go for the complete outermost dimensions, how much I told? I forgot now. That is 445. It is still there. 445. Whereas, if you go to the full outside periphery dimensions, if you go for complete periphery dimensions, some will tell it does not look like a tangent. I will tell get out of the class. See, in the college, if someone tells that way, sir, that line does not look like straight, means get out. Here I can't tell you get out. Leave the class. How much that one? 150 plus 60 is 210 plus 110. 320. 320. Okay. Now, whether you go for solution 1 or solution 2, I will mark the centroid now. 157, 110. 110 plus 60 is 170, slightly earlier than this junction. Y means no answer from me. Okay, then Y bar from top 235, 150 plus 110, 150, 250, 260, 235, slightly above center. Over. Okay. Now, whether you go for solution 1 or solution 2, nobody in the world can change this centroid. The distance will be, if you mark this way, this distance is 167.158, and that distance from that end is 152.842. Whereas if you, this distance is 167, which is Y bar, which is X bar, which is calculated, you decide. And if you do from the topmost edge, two not 209.297. 297. This is 167 point. No, this is not 167. It is 235. 1 minute. 60 or 75 plus 110. 110 plus 75 is 110, 185. You got 235. 235 means slightly above. Okay. No problem. Why worry about these things? Out of scale, okay, you do it. Correct, huh? I got some of a doubt now. Okay, out of scale. 235. 235.703 and 209.297 is the all in millimeter, all dimension millimeter. This is centroid G for the given lamina. Correctly work out. When you do first solution, see X bar, Y bar, other two calculated. When you go for second solution, X bar, Y bar, other two calculated. See, such questions as you solve, you should do one thing, independently solve and check the answer. Now, next class onward, same thing. As I finish some important question, little more details are there, I may give 2-3 extra exercises for you. But there's a limit for that one. Only thing is, in the notes I give plenty of exercises. Here, class, there's a limit. So what I am teaching is over sufficient for those who want to understand each and everything. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.